Okay, here is what we're going to be having for dinner. We got some asparagus oiled up, salt and peppered. We got some pork chops oiled up, rosemary, some other seasonings on there. And then we got some pineapple I'm going to grill that has a dash of cinnamon and a dash of ginger.
Pineapple, sprinkle with some cinnamon and ginger. You could use a little honey. I just use olive oil, a little salt, a little pepper, maybe a little oregano, rub it on. Maybe put these on the grill last because they don't take very long to cook. And for the chops, I like to use a little olive oil, basil, oregano, thyme, and maybe garlic and black pepper and salt. Rub it on there and leave it for about 15 minutes and then throw it on that grill. I put the apple on the grill as soon as I flip the pork chops once. That way they get flipped each time the pork chops do. I really enjoyed watching this video. If you want to support, like, share, subscribe. You can send me comments with new recipes and stuff for me to try. And always, thank you for watching. Always remember to live long and prosper and check out my other videos.